There is a very special surprise for the audience of Shine, for our special viewers, and I think there is no other special way than dance to mark the beginning of New Year. Do you think so?
Absolutely, it's the best way.
And in order to have some few special performances, and of course in order to talk about dance basically, we have got top Indian dancer and choreographer Kajal Sharma here with us, who's here with us, and we would like to talk to her today. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Kajal?
Fine.
Thanks a lot for joining us again today.
My pleasure.
It's always a great pleasure to have a talk with you and to see the wonderful performances you have got for us.
Thank you so much.
So tell us about your achievements this year first.
Yes, I was very fortunate to receive 2 awards this year. This first one was by Indian Association in Manchester. I received it on International Women's Day. And the second one, I recently received it on 16th of December by CAMCC, which stands for Cheshire Asian and Minority Communities Council.
Okay.
So really excited for it.
So it had been quite a lucky year for you.
Yes. It has encouraged me to do more work, more good work, and constant work.
That's great.
And it is constant work because you're running workshops, aren't you, here in Manchester? You've got a big background since you were just 3, actually performing, and now you're actually teaching children and adults, aren't you?
Yes, yes. I'm loving teaching young kids, little ones, and adults, and I do perform as well. And it's a really different experience because I'm using my own experience, which I had it back in India, and really enjoying it. I have got one class where I have all doctors. They are all consultant gynae.
I didn't know the doctors are into music.
They are dancing doctors, so all adults, and they just love it because, you know, that inspires me a lot that after, so busy schedule, they come for classes. And it's good to keep fit because dance is visually very good. It's very divine art. It's lovely performing art. But it is good to keep yourself fit as well. So why not to do something which actually, you know, as a female, it gives you the beauty as well.
And before the show, you were telling us that how you enjoy it thoroughly, and it's your passion, you love it, it's not just only a profession, a way of earning.
No,
it's
I'll tell you one incident. When I was a little kid, my mom used to hold my frock, my kurta or chunni, so that I should not run away on stage. Wherever we used to go and watch any performance, it was very difficult for me to be in the audience because I wanted to be on stage.
Okay.
As soon as I heard the music, I'm on stage. So my mom used to hold my clothes so that I should not run away on stage.
So today when your students will be performing, I have to hold your sari so that you don't just go and join them.
I was telling my student, you be careful, you'll have a surprise. I'm coming in between and dancing.
Why have you kept this passion for dance for so many years, do you think?
I think I was born with it, and I tried to get involved with different stuff. My brother has been a scientist who worked with the President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, for so many years. And he wanted me to be an Indian administrative officer, or my mother wanted me to be a doctor. But I think, you have the destiny. Dance was meant for me. I could not have done anything better than dance.
And I have just come to know that it's not only dancing that you are interested in. You really sing well as well.
Yes.
So why not just have a few lines from you?
Sure. I'm a disciple of Pandit Birju Maharajji, who is a Padma Vibhushan, a great maestro of Kathak, and he taught me as well, and I learned singing. So I'll sing a thumri for you, which is an expressional piece, and then we do the abhinay, the expression on it, which is a part of Indian classical Kathak. Here kaahe रोकत डगर प्यारे नंदलाल मेरे नित ही करत झगड़ा हमसे पन घट नहीं जाने देत देखा था सब नारी मोहे, देखा था सब नारी मोहे, है बहिया क्यों गए रे काहे।
Wonderful. That's such a wonderful
Beautiful.
performance. Yeah, beautiful. And why not let's have a show of performance from your
Yes.
students, how you teach them and how
Yes.
they got the
They are my
things in
three
them.
very talented students. They are Anamika, Miranda and Tanya.
Right.
So they are performing a piece called Sargam, which has been composed by my teacher, Birju Maharaji, and choreographed by myself.
So let's have a look.
नजर ऊंची की तो दुआ बन गई, नजर नीची की तो हया बन गई, नजर तिरछी की तो अदा बन गई, नजर फेर ली तो कज़ा बन गई।
सा नि सा 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 म